example 1. We are given the y dx. Let's solve this kind of example. Y x squared. Let me ask, is this a differential equation? Of course it is, because we have our derivative, we have the dependent variable, and we have the independent variable. So that's one thing to note. Okay, since we have known that this is a differential equation, how can we solve it? Just the way I did this. The function of y and the derivative of y should be together. Function of x and the derivative of x should be together. So we are kind of, should I use the word rearrange? Something like that. We have the y over y equals x squared dx. Yes. After that, we'll do what? Integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. So we have here will be integral of the y over y equals integral x squared dx. Now this is also the same thing as you doing integral of 1 over y dy equals integral square dx. From the idea of integration, we know that when we are integrating inverse of a particular function, let's say 1 over something, 1 over any function, 1 over y, 1 over x squared, 1 over anything in bracket, is just the ln of it. You saying ln y, this will give us ln y. Why this will have x cubed over 3 plus our constant. Constant can be any letter. It's not compulsory to use c. So here I want to use b as my own constant. I want to use b. So I'm using b. Okay, I've gotten this. From here, we want to make y subject to a formula. How can we remove this ln? We can remove ln by taking exponents of both sides. So we take exponents. Take exponents of both sides. Take exponents of both sides. We have here, when we take exponents of ln y, and here too, exponents of s cubed over 3 plus b. Exponents will cancel ln. They're just like inverse of each other, opposite of each other, just the way differentiation and integration are opposite. Same thing, exponents and ln are opposite. So this exponents here will cancel the ln. We are left with y. And this is the same thing as you saying from our idea from indices. It's the same thing as you doing exponent of x power of 3 over 3 dot exponent of b. Okay, we can from here say that we don't want it to look too ambiguous. You can say let your exponential b, let exponential b be equal to a. So anywhere we see exponential b, we'll plug in a. That means our y now will be equal to a exponential x power of 3 over 3.